HeidelbergCement is the world's leading vertically integrated building construction materials company. We produce and sell building materials from concrete to cement to aggregates and asphalt. We are essential to progress. Our construction materials, services and solutions enable significant development worldwide. Roads and railways, home, offices, schools and hospitals, the cities we live in. We help our customers, societies and nations to realize considerable growth. Sustainability has been an integral part of our strategy and will be at the center of our strategy going forward. We are determined to lead transformation and shape our industry in that direction. To get there, we need to break out of our silos, to unleash innovation, deepen partnerships with our stakeholders and communities, and push together for even better and greener solutions. Our clear goal is to offer carbon-neutral concrete by 2050. On our path to become a carbon-neutral company, our Sustainability Commitments 2030 define a key milestone and core principle of our corporate sustainability strategy over the next 10 years.
HeidelbergCement is building its carbon neutrality on that what we have already achieved. Since 1990, we have been reducing the CO2 footprint by 22%. This we have done globally by the use of alternative fuels, by increasing the energy efficiency and by replacing clinker with low carbon products. That we are now using as a base for developing the new technologies and for pioneering new business solutions. This is supported by the know-how of global R&D and of course the entrepreneurship from our countries. In the past, the technologies and the science did not exist in order to mitigate all the CO2 emissions. Now we have the means in our hands to really work on carbon neutrality around the globe. Lilac is a technology to reduce the energy need and therefore the cost of carbon capture, which we implement on one of our HeidelbergCement plants in Belgium. It is a process integrated measure. When the CO2 is released from the limestone, we immediately separate it. And this avoids the additional energy to separate the CO2 from the stack as the traditional technologies are doing. So this is a very innovative approach. We have built a strong consortium of multiple cement companies. We added other industries and we collaborate close with the R&D institutes and startup functions who really think out of the box. That gives us a strong belief that we can realize breakthrough technologies as long as we all stay focused. And with all, I mean we as industry, the society and the governmental support stay focused on reaching carbon neutrality by 2050.
Alex Fraser became part of HeidelbergCement in 2018. Through decades of innovation and persistence, we've grown to be Australia's leading recycler and producer of sustainable construction materials. Natural resources are so important to the industry. All over the world, we rely on them to build communities. They're an important part of creating jobs and driving economic growth. Natural resources are a key part of our business offering and always will be. In our industry, the circular economy has the potential to preserve valuable natural resources and extend the life of our quarries. It reduces truck movements, it reduces costs, it minimises landfill and it reduces carbon emissions. This doesn't just make environmental sense, it makes economic sense for the business and for the community. We recycle concrete, bricks, asphalt and glass. Even steel is removed from the concrete for recycling. We're supplying recycled construction materials to major road and rail projects. From our customers' perspective, they often choose our recycled materials because they can rely on a supply of high quality materials close to their projects at a competitive cost. Using recycled road base, aggregates, asphalt and sand to build greener roads is a great example of the circular economy in action, and it happens in our business every day.
Unlikely as it may sound, there's actually amazing opportunities the extractive industry can provide for nature. After we finish quarrying, we have the opportunity to do land use change. This is quite a rare opportunity now in land management. Through the reclamation plans, we can develop new habitats which not only provide new homes, but also to provide stepping stones and corridors through the landscape for species to move. We need to make sure that we can work alongside nature to make sure that our operations continue. And as we enter the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, HeidelbergCement is well placed to continue working alongside NGOs, communities and governments to manage our land to really help halt and reverse biodiversity loss.
HeidelbergCement will be carbon neutral in concrete by 2050. For that, we set sail to progress day by day, month by month and year by year. The world can count on HeidelbergCement.